Hello! In this video, we will cover reopening a student's assignment, what we refer to as reverting an assignment to draft, as well as how to unlock and lock an assignment. So, when do you revert an assignment back to draft? We only want you to revert an assignment to draft if you cannot grade it. Students need to have addressed at least 70% of an assignment's criteria. They can do 70% of the criteria poorly and earn a low grade. We just need to see that they have attempted to fulfill what is being asked of them in the assignment. For example, if there are 2 parts to an assignment and they only submit 1 part, then we do not have enough of the assignment completed to determine if they have understood the concepts in the unit. In this instance, please do not enter any grade in any part of the rubric and instead reopen the assignment. Let's go over how this is done. All right, so I have already looked over this student's assignment and I know that it is incomplete, so I will not be grading it. I'm going to leave all of the rubric and these grading boxes blank and come down to the teacher feedback box. First, I'm going to leave detailed feedback for the student as to why it cannot be graded. Remember to always add the date and your name to your feedback. Some teachers put their name first, then the date. Others put the date first and then the name at the end. However you do this is up to you, as long as those 2 pieces of information are in the feedback. Remember to personalize your feedback and be positive. This may be the only interaction you have with some of these students. We want to remember to make the date bold to draw the student's attention to it, and then we're going to come down here and save the changes. This will send an email alerting the student that this has been viewed. Now that I have saved my feedback, I'm going to come back to the assignment submission page and revert this to draft. To do that, we're going to click on this Edit drop-down menu and select Revert Submission to Draft. Once that page reloads, you can see that it has been reopened and says Draft Not Submitted. And now you're done with this student. Now, let's go over locking an assignment. We only want to revert an assignment back to draft 3 times if the student is not making the requested changes. We set this limit because at that point we assume the student is not reading the feedback and our goal is to get the student's attention and stop the cycle. If you come across an assignment where the same feedback has been left twice and the student is still submitting the same assignment without changes, we're going to go ahead and lock the assignment on the 3rd submission. Start by leaving your feedback. For this feedback, you will be given a canned response that you can edit to fit your scenario, but essentially it will tell the student that the submission has been locked and that they need to use the Ask the Teacher link to request to have it reopened. We're going to go ahead and save our feedback and then again go back to the assignment submission page. And the first thing you need to do is revert it to draft, and then you can go ahead and click Prevent Submission Change, and this will lock the assignment. The student will now need to reach out via the Ask the Teacher link to get this submission unlocked. Our customer service team will then verify with the student that they have read all of the feedback provided before unlocking it for them. If you ever need to unlock an assignment for a student, you can click on this Edit drop-down once more and allow submission changes. This unlocks the assignment. It will allow the student access to the assignment so they can update and resubmit. Once a grade is assigned to the student's work, they have the ability to reopen the assignment themselves using the Revise and Resubmit button in their course. So please remember, if you don't grade an assignment, you will need to reopen it for them. If you have any questions, please reach out to your department head in Slack. Thanks.